Hi, this is Meir from Beerable Traders. Today is Wednesday, September 18, and I'm gonna do my recap now. So CHWY was on the gappers watch list. It was down about 3% or 4% when it opened. Today. It's a recent IPO. So the all-time low, it IPO'd here up at 41, and it sold off like a lot of IPOs this year, and it made an all-time low here at about 29. So, and it gapped down a few percent, so I was really short biased, waiting for an explosive move, maybe that it should be able to break the all-time lows. So coming in, I put this on my watch list, and I was watching this right at the open, out of the gate. I watched this, and the first minute was like choppy, and it went to the VWAP, and it held the VWAP. It couldn't go through the VWAP. That's 29.40. So as soon as it came down here, I saw that it was very weak. There wasn't much volume. There wasn't much strength in this. So I decided to get short, and I got filled at 29.07. And lo and behold, I was fortunate. I cracked this all-time low, which was at 29, and I flew by it. And I started covering out here, 28.88, 28.80, covered lower, cover 50, covered here when it cracked 28, the whole dollar, and here was bought back up. So I was afraid that it was chopping around for 2-3 minutes, just in case I took off here another part. And then I told myself I'm gonna be patient, and I'm gonna wait to see if I could get a continuation. I didn't have any levels, obviously, and I felt that it really does have a lot of potential, being that it was all-time low. So it could really, people are gonna want to get out, and it could really go to anywhere. So at that point, I decided I'm going to be patient. So I put my stop like kind of a trailing stop, a mental stop. I put my stop here at VWAP. So as soon as it cracked VWAP, and it didn't just crack it cracked it here. This was bought up with strength. This was bought up with strength on the 1 minute. So I got all out. It was a tiny position, not even 10%, less than 10%, less than about 5% of my position. So it wasn't really a big deal. It was more like of a psychological exercise of trying to work on, being patient and holding, which is something that I'm trying to emphasize. This was my trade, one and done. Glad for that, and thank you for watching. It was really choppy later on, even afterwards, just looking. So here was choppy. Now it's selling off and breaking the low of day, but it's really choppy. So I'm glad that I got out here and didn't go through all this chop. That was that. So thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, please leave them below, and have a magnificent day.